Hello, this is Forrest with ForrestBuysHouses.com, and today I want to talk a little bit about our company. So our company is CVA Homes LLC. Our website is ForrestBuysHouses.com, and with those two things together, we're able to help people all over the state of Virginia with their real estate problems. We have bought houses as far as Bristol, Abington, Danville, Roanoke, Charlottesville, Harrisonburg, Newport News, Hampton, Richmond, Colonial Heights, Petersburg, Henrico, you name it, Chesterfield, we have bought a house there. So we have a passion for helping people. We buy houses, we rehabilitate them, we sell them. We also do them with owner financing. We sell them with owner financing, and we just enjoy helping people that have a problem because we have the ability and the means to solve their problems. So we have been self-employed for the last 12 years, and before that we were a contract specialist with other companies and operations specialists for many years. And so we have a lot of experience, we have a lot of contract knowledge, and we can help you out of your problem situation with your problem company, with your problem property. So if you have an issue, if you have a concern, please reach out to us. We partner on deals with other real estate investors. We partner with all kinds of people. So we utilize a large network of real estate investors all over the state of Virginia to help us in certain situations. But we have a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and a large network of people that we can glean information from if we can't handle the situation ourselves. So call us with confidence that we can help you out of your situation, and we will. All right, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just shoot us an email, shoot us a phone call, or fill out the information on our website. You have a nice day. Thank you for watching our video.